Hey guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I want to show you how to connect your domain from an external source to your Wix website. For today's video, I'm just going to be using our old Wix Fix site, and I removed the domain from it temporarily, and we're going to be using my preferred domain purchase site, Namecheap. And for this video, we're going to be connecting a domain called vertiboom.com, which is just one of my spare ones that I have, and we're going to be connecting it to our old Wix Fix site. The first thing I want to do is select the site, and it's going to open up the dashboard for us. And you might see an option under the suggested for you section to connect your domain. But if you don't, you can come over to settings, go to website settings, and you're going to see the site URL, which you can see with a premium plan, you can choose a custom domain. So we're going to go ahead and press on that. It's going to take us to a page that looks like this. Now, you can buy your domain straight through Wix, but they would be hosting it for you, which that's not my preferred method because it seems like every domain is almost like 30 bucks a year. Whereas with websites like GoDaddy and Namecheap, you can maybe get them for like 9 bucks a year. So I prefer connecting a domain that I already own, and it's going to be called vertiboom.com, and we're going to press next. It's going to search for that domain provider, and it's going to say, hey, it's connected through Namecheap. Is that correct? And you can say, yes, it's from Namecheap. And then it's going to give you kind of an overview of how it's going to work, but let's go ahead and press start. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Namecheap account or your GoDaddy account, whatever it is, and press I logged in. Then it's going to say find the domain, which I'm already on my domains page in the dashboard. So I found my domain. The next thing you want to do is find your name servers. Now, if you're not on Namecheap and you're on something like GoDaddy, then this might be in a different position for you, but I guarantee you're going to find this somewhere on that service. But as you can see here, I have my name server settings right here. So you can say I found the name servers. And then what you want to do is copy these two codes over into the name servers. So what we're going to do is go from the basic DNS to custom, and I'm going to paste in the first one right here. I'm going to copy the second one and put it right here. And I'm going to press this little check mark, and now it's going to load up the Wix DNS for us. And then once you're done with that, you can press I added them, and then it's going to go through a verification process. And once it's done with the verification process, then you're going to be redirected to a page that looks like this, and basically says it's going to take up to 48 hours to connect the domain to your site. Now, I don't think it typically takes 48 hours. Typically, it's within like 5 to 10 minutes, but you can also check the domain status right here, and you can see that it's going through this process. And as you can see, I'm recording this video very early, but by Saturday, November 27th, we should have Vertiboom on this site. But that basically wraps it up for the video today, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you all in the next one.